Grandma.
You need to do it.
He's so cute.
Hey, John William.
You've done it? You haven't done it yet?
Oh, how cute.
Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma.
Does Allison want to put them on?
Let's see Allison with the glasses on.
Go to Grandpa.
Come here, John.
You can't
Better
see.
Better give Grandpa his glasses. You better give Grandpa's glasses. You want to try them on, Allison? Okay, there we go.
Allison, let me see. You look cute. You look very studious.
She does. Her name is
Looks
Claire.
like a scientist.
Her name is Claire.
Allison Claire.
Okay, you better let Grandpa have his glasses.